A very special fruit of Shiva, that called bale. This time not mature. After 2 months, it become like yellow. Inside, we eat or we drink. Good for stomach, good for...
Hello. We ready for Holi?
Right. KFC soup. We didn't have anything else. I think we would order these for everybody. And fries.
Okay, thank you.
But if we had a mix of food, we would have no time.
Hello. Hello. Happy Holi. Hello. Hello. I feel like I missed this bus.
Shows the bus or us?
Both.
Oh, that could come back here, right?
Yeah.
Walk with much clothes. So today is the last day, but tomorrow we will arrange some shopping in Delhi if you all want. When we go back to get some basic clothes, if we have time tonight and we see a very nice place to shop in Rishikesh, we will do that.
So, but why used to be every year thing? That used to be a big thing.
That's not.
Like people beating inside them. Everyone is still not comfortable. I used to play around with that.
I find.
So, do you know which side train coming from?
No, we try to.
Let me tape all the tape in this.
I know already. So, you board the train now? This is on your itinerary.
I have to spend a night in it.
You are comfortable with that ticket the next week. No, but thank you.
Everybody's here.
They're hearing people's voice.
Look at how many come in.
I don't know if they hear. They want to see the father. I don't know if they hear the noise. Come, come.
Hey, she could come this side right here too.
Not a second in a row. Not a second in a row.
Oh, we could squeeze it. I don't know if we could get a
Oh,
squeeze.
no.
You safe there?
How could you have What's an hour, Karma? It was by Karma. Don't worry, Mom.
No matter how much I try to jump ship, he was tired. Always trying to.
But go on and just. Go just that way. Just come. Look how things look.
I was expecting like somewhere to hike or something. I don't know.
And what I didn't do? No, it get better. I've been in Ganges today and moved from iron to cushion. Upgrading, leveling up.
I did. Oh wow. It is very adventurous. This is the adventurous. Hi, Mama.
No, take it up to the guy. Because here we have nothing. So now we have to walk in the middle.
Careful, eh? If anybody have any problems, jump.
The water high enough.
You
See one. When you do the whole blogging,
Of course, yeah, of course. Oh wow! Wow! This is so beautiful, man. What?
Imagine when the Ganga come up.
All the way up?
Yeah, it's come up right up to where the water.
Oh my god!
Like you see monsoon season, just before.
Wow!
Look on this side.
Wow!
Better look come back for we next week.
Oh god, listen.
One day
I'm not
we're
going.
this
I'm not
is
going
the
over.
one
Same. I'm not going.
Let's go here.
Yes. Wow.
Well, all right, check out castles.
Oh my god, look at the cows and thing all there. Look at these rocks. Rocks and stuff, it's so pretty. It look like perfect for photos and stuff. Wow. Wow. It's so I hope so. Yeah, I'm also filming. Yeah, I'm also content. Oh yeah, will be worth it, huh?
Yes.
It'll be worth it. Yes, very nice boy. This is beyond anything I imagined. Yeah, boy. Wow. Look at the size now. I never thought it was so big, you know. Well, my dream is really to do Mount Kailash. Yeah, I have a few of them.
Okay, should be right now. We'll have big going there.
Right?
That's all right. Everything here.
Every. Isn't that beautiful? out of everything. Yeah, boy. This is. Be careful, poopies. Wow. Yeah, yeah.
So my brother is in the front. Okay.
Hello, baby. Hello. Yeah. I don't know if Varanasi so important to me. The train ride. Like the positive thinking. Yeah, like that kind of stuff.
Choose a place where we can have it.
Hey, Babas. Hello. International Yoga Festival. That's not gonna work. I love Papa would do if it were in a little tiny bit. I love that. They had a system, you know, it works. They had a system, yeah. We wouldn't understand it, but we don't understand it, but they have the system. Hi, Mama. Hello, baby. Oh, this side?
So one name of the Ganga is the Bhagirathi. But Rishikesh is the place where the Ganges river first time touched to the plain area after the mountain. Because the Ganga is called like Pranadaini and Mokshadaini. Pranadaini means give us life, we drink this water, we use this water for farming and eat the things. And Mokshadaini means after the death of anybody in the Hindu family, they took little Ganga water and put it in the mouth of the dead body. Then after he got moksha. For life and moksha. And because of the coming from the head of the Shiva, you can say wife of the Shiva.
Yes.
Yeah.
We're going down this way.
Wait, guys. Go to that statue, visit that, then everybody have to come here. And I will explain you why statue looks like a blue and this form is this of dance.
Okay.
Yeah, this one right here. Read the Maru here.
And today we take a selfie.
Take a picture here, right?
I promise, yeah. Quick movements, we gotta move.
You know about one time when Shiva drank that poison and stop all the poison on his neck, then after it become like blue of this part. Then he called a Nilkant. When he become like a Nilkant, Nil means blue and Kant means neck. Then after Shiva went over the Himalaya, they start to dance or meditate there to remove the effect of that poison. But after his meditation, when Shiva didn't get any effect, then Shiva was very angry. When Shiva angry, Shiva start Rudra Tandava. That called dancing form of the Shiva. This is the dancing Shiva, Nataraj. And after that, have you seen the statue, the third eye of the Shiva? Then Shiva opened his third eye. As Shiva opened his third eye, all the poison come out from the third eye of the Shiva and fall down on top of the mountain in Himalaya, where these love tears fall down. After some time, the divine Rudraksha tree is growing over there. Have you seen mostly Rudra, Shiva statue? They have a Rudraksha. Rudra and Aksha. Rudra means anger of Shiva, Rudra. And Aksha means tears of the Shiva. All Rudraksha are genuine. But problem is this, two type of Rudraksha you can get. One Rava beet and one is the Patre beet. Rava beet which is growing in the plain area. The hard beet, Patre beet, that is meaningful. Action plus fashion, both. Some people they do outside, but never you do outside. It should touch your skin. Then it gives you berry. After this, I will show you the divine people tree, and there is the natural mouth of elephant.
No, those are 4 seeds.
Okay.
That's probably 4.
Yeah, but the information, yeah. That's what I thought. That's why I filmed it. I thought it would be important info. Wow.
It is very, very divine people tree, more than 200 years old. And you can see over there, if you can see the mouth of elephant. Yeah, on top. Can see? Yes. Okay, you can touch it. An elephant is there, huh? Elephant face. From there, you can see. Top one. Everything?
Yeah, we're walking around.
Banyan tree. This one. Banyan tree represent to Shiva. Maple tree represent to Vishnu. Okay. And in local language, that one is the Pakad. Pakad, we call it Pakad in local language.
Okay.
So these three trees represent to Brahma, then Vishnu and Mahesha, Shiva. But have you seen mostly the real yogis, old picture if you see, they sit always on bottom of these two trees. Why? Because of these two trees absorb more carbon dioxide than other trees and release more oxygen, like 25% more. And both of these trees, very, very holy trees for us. We pray for these like a Shiva and Vishnu. Understand? 9 planets. Right. If you want to take a round of that, no need to remove your shoes, and just you have to speak Om Grahe Namah.
Om Grahe Namah.
What for you? This direction. Yeah, this direction.
Om
Grahe Namah.
Om Grahe Namah. Om Grahe Namah.
Yeah.
This way?
Wow.
Wow. God, there's so much to see. Wow. This is pretty. I could video for technology. It's awesome. Oh, look at you. Hi. What you eating there? You got roti?
Wait here, everybody wait here. Let them come, everybody first.
I feel like I'm in an Indian movie.
You understand?
Like I get to look at an Indian movie and then I just like get to go into the screen.
Tree of bale. Bale leaf. 3 leaves all together. We put it on the leaf. And that is the very special fruit of Shiva. That called bale. This time not mature. After 2 months it become like yellow. Inside we eat or we drink. Good for stomach, good for brain. So this is the tree of bale tree.
You drink, how you can make a juice?
Make a juice. Inside we have like fruit.
Like when
We put it in the water and some little bit sugar, and with hand or with machine you can make it and you can drink that juice. You have to remove the seeds from there. Now after this,
I never knew.
first off, we are in Gita Bhavan ashram.
Gita Bhavan.
Gita Bhavan because of Bhagavad Gita. They written everywhere on the wall. All 18 chapter of Bhagavad Gita.
Really?
Second thing,
Wow.
right now as you are staying in the hotel, this is your tour. You can say religious tour. But that time, when the people only come here to take a dip in the Ganges to visit Himalaya, that time they come from house and they take a dip in Ganges river and start walk by walk, because there is no road that time. So that time we call that religious tour. So that time all this dharamshala and guest house only, and ashram. Ashram means ashray, who gives you place for stay. If you are staying in any ashram, so you don't have to pay. There is a donation box, you can pay there by yourself if you have. If you don't have, so it's not necessary. If you are in the ashram, right now present time, if you are staying in this ashram, so first they will ask you the reason, and you should be your family. If you are coming here for religious purpose, then they allow to you. And if you are staying in the ashram, you have to eat only veg, and that pure veg. Veg, but pure veg. Pure veg means which things grown under of the earth, they don't use. Garlic, onion, they don't allow. Pure veg.
Potato.
Potato, not. This type of thing, because why you are coming? Because of the religious purpose. They give you the room. Religious purpose means these things, if you eat, it's become like heatness. Heatness is not good in healing or meditation or yoga. So like that. So now after this is the bale tree. Second tree I will show you, divine Rudraksha tree.
Okay. Oh, wow. Look at these ones, the orange. It's pretty.
This tree is called Kadamba tree. Okay. Krishna tree we call it.
This one is the
This is because of the nature of the Rudraksha, it's growing only in the Himalaya. So this is the tree of Rudraksha. Oh. This is 5-face Rudraksha tree. You go there. Is this Lakshmi and Narayana temple? Vishnu temple is
लाखों दियों की ज्योति जले मंदिर प्यारा चमचम करे लाखों दियों की ज्योति जले
Jai Jai.
Hi baby. Hi princess. Hello princess. Wow. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Like I can't go fast enough. I can't go fast enough. Before tumble with excitement. Wow.
because of one time you have to touch this. Because already you have been in Haridwar, but there is the Ganga river like a diverted water. This is the natural part of the Ganga. Because of after this we are going to see that divine Rudraksha tree, Rudraksha things. So before that you have to touch this, then we'll go there.
Okay.
Later. Not now. Otherwise you have to carry a long time.
Touch. Just touch?
Just be careful when you're stepping down. There's
Okay,
slippery.
okay.
Take my phone.
Don't go with the slipper. It's slippery. Don't
Down there, after they have a thing, and then we go down. That's why we can see zero. After they have come through the line. The very step there, I go.
That was
This is so
so
cool,
nice.
because
That
you
was
have
so
like
nice.
more freedom, and it's like
I love it. I love this. This is what I envision being one in one with Gangama. And this right here is exactly what I envision my first encounter with Gangama would feel like. This is so beautiful. This is exactly what I wanted.
Padigam which will come out from the Himalayan, that rock. After that your skin may be watch down.
Something smells nice. Oh, it smells so nice. Wow. Oh my god. Get it, little baby. Hello, baby. Hello, baby.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.
Oh gosh. This is like, hello. Hi, baby. Hi. Nine. I am excited. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow.
First, इधर एक्सप्लेन रुद्राक्ष and स्फटिका Himalayan rock crystal.
मंगलमय हो हमें शुभकामनाओं के साथ मां गंगा की पावन
Hare